Hi! In front of me is CHUWI HiPad X, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, just go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type in Magic Fluids and install this free app from this developer, Mad Scientist. Then open it. Now you need to click on Got It and tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner. From here select Settings, tap on I accept in this pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the bottom right corner again and tap on Set as Live Wallpaper over here. Now click on Set Wallpaper, tap on one of those options, home screen or home screen and lock screen, and simply go back. As you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!